Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing a miniature stepladder. So we got this in case I need to get stuff down in the garage or in our home. It's always nice to have a stepladder, and this one had good ratings on it, so I'm hoping it's as good as the ratings show. If you guys are interested, you can find this in my video description. So, yeah, it looks like just your standard stepladder. Let's see here. Taking everything apart. Okay. So what's this? Oh, that's cool. It actually latches. So, let's turn this around so I can show you. Right here, this latches, so it won't go anywhere, but you pull it out, and then you can fold it right back up. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Oh. It's, okay. Wow, it's solid. When I first stepped on it, the plastic in the center kind of buckled. That actually buckles a little bit. Like right in here kind of buckles. But it should hold. You know, you don't want to be jumping up and down. It feels solid when you're up top high. Doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere. Overall, I think it's nice. I think it's going to do the job that we need. You know, gets up high enough, we can clean our ceiling fans and so forth. So, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. If you guys are interested, check out the link in the video description.